There are two types of feelings, positive and negatives, and we flow away from the negative and towards the positive. And an atmosphere which is very good for thinking is a landscape with structure, all kinds of things, and then feelings connected to them. And those feelings tell about what those things mean in life. And so, for example, here is water but no one inside, so we are immediately scared. And then there's another picture where there's someone under the water like this, and then we are scared, or then they are just diving and there's no reason to feel scared. So its atmosphere impression in this picture of the whole gives rise to a new picture, kind of opens like the leaves of a book, to new pictures, holistic pictures which tell why there is that atmosphere. This might lead to an impression of cars and towns and things like that. Huge houses and no room for natural life, so this is kind of in contradiction. Maybe there's some tree there. So this makes us think what technologization and all the artificial things in the world mean to life. And so we think, is it good to have the bicycle there? Is it needed? Could we throw it away if it's not needed? And what happens to the nature if one bikes there, and so on. So this way you can immediately see what the phenomena in the picture, in the holistic landscape, mean to life. And so you understand it fully. And that's the best kind of understanding that you can have. That's your natural form of understanding anything. There are all the structures correctly, all the things in the right sizes, right proportions, and then the atmosphere impressions tell what they mean to life. So the dark atmospheres, the negative feelings you have to avoid, and tell of things to avoid, and the positive, warm, reddish or white atmospheres, light atmospheres you reach for. What then if this picture gets too complicated? What if there's a mosaic of things like a marketplace full of people, and all of them are very complex, and all of them give rise to numerous atmosphere perspectives, like here, drunken person, drowned person, and about the role of technologization. So here you must take all these perspectives at the same time. But typically many of them include the same areas of life. So what you need is a picture of the whole world. And then you kind of have here one place in the world where there are many people. So they just make partial use about this whole world. So you see here, for example, that some of these areas say that this is an important question, and those are minor questions here. So you see that the major point here is this one because it's important, and something else is totally negligible, and some other points are then worth taking into account too. So here in one picture of the whole you can see everything, because this is an organized way of seeing the whole world. So you see the roles of all these things in this picture. And how you get that picture, it's quite easy, because you have to build a model of what a healthy world is like. Healthy natural world first, and then add the technology as an outside factor. By the same principles gets optimized development of technology to the same picture, and the whole arranged in same way, so principles stay the same. And well, That's my explanation, but I understand that it isn't clear for others right away, but you should ask me, then I could explain. But it's quite easy because now you can pick the point about technologization was here taken part these two parts too, and can be solved via having a holistic view of the whole world. Thank you.